Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I replaced the tube of my laser. Unfortunately, the old tube filled up with water. Probably it's cracked somewhere. The reason for this is the water pump which failed. So here is the new tube I ordered. The price is about $500. The new tube has a power of 80 watts. The old tube was about 5 years old and its power has decreased, so I'm not that disappointed by the failure. Here you can clearly see how the tube is full of water. Така, сега, това какво беше тук? I'm beginning the disconnection of the old tube. I'm trying to remember which is where and how it's connected. Removing the tube is concern for me because it's heavy with water and also difficult to maneuver. Там отива. Добре, то трябва да го махна. Махна го.
Вземи.
Подпри така да малко. Се тръгна тече и отдолу?
Да, тече и там.
Добре, дръжи така докато. Той човек като ремонтира, да напълно да го остава за почисти, това е... So I think the laser is ready. Now we're going to make some tests.